everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a Gucci item. If you already subscribed to my channel, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Carla, and on this channel, I share videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, then please subscribe down below. Okay guys, so like I mentioned, I'm going to be unboxing a Gucci item. This item I've been wanting for a while now. I let it get away from me in October last year, but I was able to get my hands on it once again. And also, I will be sharing a special announcement with you. First, let me share with you all the word of the day. The word of the day for today is trust. Guys, trust the process. No matter where you are in your journey, whether you're in the beginning, you're just getting started, or you're in the middle of your journey, trust it. That's the middle is the hardest part. That's where you're like, all right, this needs to hurry up. What am I doing wrong? What is going on? Be patient and trust the process. Okay, so this is the box that my Gucci item came in. Like I said, I let it get away from me in October of last year. I was in Vegas and I saw this item and I loved it. I had seen it once before, like on one person, and I didn't know how I felt about it. Like, I knew I liked it, but I didn't know how if I wanted it. It looks nice on that person, but I didn't know if I wanted it. Then I saw it in person and I liked it, but I was still like, okay, like I'm gonna be going to like Dior and all these other stores, so I just wanted to hold off. And of course I wasn't in Vegas that long, so my holding off turned out to me not being able to go back and get the item. So I had been checking on the website. This is how the box looks. I had been checking on the website, and for some reason, like I said, I just was not able to get my hands on it at all. And you know when you want something and you just can't get it, then you're just like, oh my God, I need to get my hands on it. And sure enough, one day I went on and I had the option to pre-order it. So that's what I did. This is just an envelope. Let's see what's in this envelope. Okay, it's just my return information, like my shipping label and all of that jazz that's in here. I just want to show you guys how Gucci sends their stuff when you purchase it via e-commerce. You get all this reusable paper. You get a Gucci bag, which is right here, and then the item is in the middle, protected by all of that stuff. I'm not gonna bother with the Gucci bag. So this is the item. Really quickly, before I unbox this, I want to share the special announcement with you guys. So I am in the process of opening an online boutique, and one of the pieces that's gonna be for sale on my online boutique is this sweatshirt that I have on right here, and it's this beautiful brown queen, and it just says, be you, do you, for you. As you know, or if you don't know, if you're new to my channel, I love sharing positive quotes. I love sharing word of the days that are positive, just something that gets you going. So of course I wanted to have a sweatshirt that says something inspirational, and like I mentioned, be you, do you, for you. Remember that. So yeah, just go on to my website. It's shopcarlasimon.com, and I will be having things like this. I have bags. I'm contemplating adding some shoes on there. This is new for me. I've never had an online boutique, but this is something I wanted to do. So yeah, once again, check out shopcarlasimon.com. Also go to Instagram. That's going to be the business page, Shop Carla Simon. And of course, if you want to see how I style these pieces, just check out my personal Instagram page at carla.simon19. So yes, let's continue on with this unboxing. I'm just hoping that this piece actually fits me. So yeah, let's just see. Got this beautiful ribbon. I just love how thick and, I don't know, luxurious it feels. This is the box. Let me show you guys. Just take these out. And let's see. This is always so much fun. So, as you can see, I got some Gucci platform sandals. I've been into platforms. Like, I just love platforms. I think by now my Amazon videos out where I share with you guys some amazing platform clogs that I got, and here we have these. I love just the original Gucci monogram print on this. Look at that. It's everywhere. I love how this feels. It's that beautiful burgundy color. Guys, I just love these. This is the bottom of them. I got them in a size 39. So let me just take out the other one so you see the pair. I love how nice and soft this stuffing inside is. So this is the pair right here. Let me see if I can hold it in my hand. This is the pair right here. And of course, as usual, you get your beautiful dust bag, and you get one for each shoe, which I really like. I love that you get, each shoe gets its own dust bag. I don't mind when they give you one dust bag for a pair of shoes, but I do prefer two separate dust bags just in case, you know, you don't want the bottom of your shoe rubbing up on the other shoe. So I definitely prefer two separate dust bags. And honestly, if you wanted to be extra and you didn't care to have two dust bags, you could find a way to make this into like a handbag. I know that sounds ridiculous, but look at that. Add your items in here and just turn it into a dust bag. I don't know. I don't even know why I shared that. But things like, I just started to think of ways to use different items, and that was me blurting one out. So yes, these are the shoes I picked up. So these were $595 before tax. Designer pieces are pretty pricey, so $595 I found to be pretty affordable, right? Like, affordable, $595. So yeah, I really like these. These paired with this sweatshirt right here would even look nice. I just have some biker shorts on, and I think this is an outfit already. I'll probably just end up wearing this for the rest of the day because I just love how these look. How stunning, guys. Love these. I'm so happy I finally got my hands on these. Like I mentioned, I missed out on them last year, but was looking for them everywhere, and I'm so happy I got them. So yeah, that's it for this unboxing. Remember to check out my online boutique, shopcarlasimon.com. Check out my Instagram, my personal Instagram at carla.simon19. Please remember to be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Love yourself and love others as well. Also remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. See you in the next video.